I'm rebranding my photography business, and this time I've decided that the trademarking the name is a must-do to copycat I had to deal with a few years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Potential catch: the trademark I'd like to register is also a URL that redirects to a painter's site. Their actual URL and business name is nothing like my business name. So it seems they're just covering their bases for SEO.
Yeah.
Have you seen this before, Matt?
Yeah. I mean, a lot of times clients will, preemptively buy up a bunch of domains, right? They might keep them. I mean, I don't know about you, but I have a few domains that I own that I'm not currently using, but I might at some point, right? So people kind of just collect these things. That's not a problem to have someone who owns the domain of the trademark that you want to use. So long as, of course, that domain doesn't redirect to a third-party site that competes with your services or products. Assuming you're not a painter, we're good.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So photographer with ABC123, they can likely register so long as the existing ABC123 URL doesn't forward to a competing photography business.
Correct. And more I think about it too, like let's say it was even a competitor who was using like a domain to redirect. Yeah. That domain isn't really functioning as a trademark, right? It's not a source indicator. It's just a URL. Yeah. So I would even make the argument that even if they were a competitor and they had that domain and they weren't using it, you could theoretically come in and file a trademark registration for it. Now you can't get that domain back from them, so you're going to be, in trouble from that perspective, but you could theoretically own it.